working on the project 2004 R32. Just installing this shifter this morning. The brand is Coolerworx. Pretty cool setup actually. It's reasonably priced, and it is stupid short. I don't have this thing quite adjusted yet. I'm just kind of showing you how it goes in. On this particular example, it showed images in the instructions of either having 4 holes to install this to bolt it onto the chassis, or having 2 holes with a bracket in the back. This had neither, just had 2 holes in the front, and the back of it was smooth, so I had to drill these 2 to mount it. Not really a big deal. I just put it up in the bottom and marked it with some paint, where to drill the holes, and stuck it in there. Fit pretty well other than that. Like the way it looks from a seated position. It's really in the perfect spot. You can grab it nice and easy, and your hands in a relaxed position, and I think it'll work well. I'll show you what it looks like underneath here. All right, here's from underneath. What's nice about this too is it just uses the factory cables. They attach the same way they do from the factory. A little clip on this one, and this one just has a ball socket that it pops onto with a little nylon thing. I don't have the cover screwed on yet, and this has the cover that goes over it. It doesn't come with a gasket or any kind of sealant or anything like that to seal against the chassis, so you want to use some silicone, depending. You want to make this nice and watertight, and no gasket on this cover either, so this is another thing where it'd be good place for some RTV if you're planning on driving this thing every day. But yeah, so it fits pretty well. So far pretty happy with it. Haven't even driven the car yet, haven't put this back together. Quite a bit of work involved in installing this, as far as you have to pull the drive shaft down, and you have to pull the exhaust off and stuff like that. This car is extra easy to do that too. It's got V-band clamp, and the whole thing just falls off. So, and then getting to the drive shaft is the only real job. But yeah, that's it. I'm pretty happy with it. I'll make another video when I actually take it for a spin and tell you my driving impression of this whole shifter. So thanks for watching.